Okay, I have a cheap piece of field gear here. I went by China Mart recently, aka Walmart. Walked through the camping goods sections and noticed a new mess kit was out. This is an Ozark Trails 5-piece mess kit. Contains one 6.7-inch fry pan, one 6.5-inch plate, one 7-ounce cup, one lid, and 1.5 quart pot. Why not just call it a pint pot? Why go with half a quart? Lightweight, compact stainless steel, easy to clean, all pieces nestled together for easy storage. Okay. Not bad. They're trying to copy the Boy Scout mess kit. Looks like they're trying to update it just a little bit. We got the plate as our lid. We got nice deep sides on it. This would work as a small stoop or a stew bowl if needed. Put some rice or potatoes in there. Pour your stew over the top. Should work just fine. Lid. Right off the bat, we got plastic knob. Not a good idea. These knobs, when they get hot, will melt and they will come off. And it looks like it is plastic, not Bakelite, so it will melt off. So be aware of that. And it's held on with a screw. Our little cup, which is only 7 ounces. Why couldn't they have made it just a tad lighter and squeezed in that other ounce to give you a full 1 cup cup? Plastic on it, little flimsy, but it's acceptable. Not as flimsy as some that I've seen. It is gradated in ounces, so we have a 3-ounce line, a 5-ounce line, and a 7-ounce line. Why not do it in gradations of a cup? 1 cup, half cup, and quarter cup. Wouldn't that conform more to recipes? Why go with ounces, especially 3, 5, and 7? That seems a little bit odd. Why not 2, 4, and 8? We got our stew pot here. The size seems pretty good. And I like this. You look on the handle here, little hook at the end. So when it gets in a position, yep, locks in place. So that's going to prevent it from spilling over if you accidentally knock this when it's over a fire. Like with the Boy Scout ones, they just got the piece of wire. And we got a nice thick handle on it. So it'll set better on the stick or rope or whatever you use to hold this over the fire. Only 2 spot welds on each side, and both of them are pretty tiny. Why not do 1 large spot weld? Give it more surface area so it'd be harder to break. But overall, not too bad. Not too crazy about those spot welds. Now the pan, decent size, decent height. Not as thin as on a soda can, so they did thicken it up a little bit, and it's made out of stainless steel instead of aluminum. So this in theory should hold out a little bit better. Same thing as the issue on the pot. We got these little itty bitty spot welds. Why not do 2 larger spot welds and it'll hold better? The handle though looks pretty good. Should work just fine. I would use a pair of gloves when putting this on the fire and definitely taking it off, and it's got a nice long handle on it too. So in theory it'll cut down on how hot it gets out here. Let's see the thickness on the plate. Same thickness as on the pan. What about the pot? No, pot's got pretty good thickness on it. The whole thing should be at least this thickness. This gauge is steel though. But overall, not too bad if you're looking for a kit. You don't want to spend you know, 10 or 20 bucks for a military surplus or a Boy Scout one, this would work. Price on this was somewhere between 5 to 7 bucks. I think it was closer to the 5 than the 7. And it should be at pretty much every Walmart, so you wouldn't have to wait for it to show up in the mail. So it is an option for gear for you for in the field. Would it be my primary choice for a mess kit? No, but it'll work. So we got the Ozark Trails 5-piece mess kit. Now, for all my engineer brothers and Patriot Militia movements, always remember, essay ons.